Today we're doing the Koons dealership. We're all the way in Virginia, Tyson's Corner. Got the lift coming down now. It's a pretty big building we're doing today. We did this building last year and the year before that, so we're pretty familiar with the building. Should knock it out within 3 to 4 hours. Loud ass shit. Today we got Ron with us. I'm here, of course. We have Danny with us. Should be a pretty good day. I'm telling you, this dealership has the nicest cars, man. The nice, look at the train up here. Nice view everywhere.